Ant and Dec.
Yeah. Right, good morning everybody. Welcome to Monday's maths lesson. So today's should be a nice, easy one. We're just doing some addition and subtraction, much like you've already done in your home learning. So it should just be a review and you should hopefully find this really easy. So we're going to go quite quickly now because none of this should be new to you. Right, so let's move on. So first of all, we have this one, Mr. Lake. Can you read the question?
9 take away 4.
How should we do that?
Well, I was just thinking in my head, this is all within 10. Could hold up 9 fingers, put 4 down.
5
How many's
Bosh. Good. Some of you, hopefully lots of you just know it. Some of you might want to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then look at how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. Okay, this one. 35 minus 4. 35 subtract 4. Right. Now, Mr. Lake, I'll tell you 2 ways I'd do it.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, I might look at that. I might do this, right? I might, because we've used lots of deans before, I might draw out my deans. So 35, so 10, 20, 30. That's terrible. You can do actually, that is terrible. Let's do that again. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Then we're taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 10, 20, 30, 31. Okay? Another way I might do it, and I know lots of you do this, I just sort of look, I think if you forget about that 30, it's just pop that in your head for a moment. You just got 5 take away 4. 5 take away 4. That's not right. 5 take away 4, which is 1. Pop the 30 on.
31. Yeah. That's how I thought about it as well.
Okay, let's move on. Next one. Okay, this is a bit more interesting. 42 take away 5. Okay, so I'm going to do, again, I think I'm going to, for me, I like my deans.
Yep.
Maybe you don't, maybe whatever works for you. For me, I'm going to just draw out some deans so it's clear in my head. So 10, my 10 stick, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Now I've got to take away 5.
That looks hard.
This so 1, 2. It's
run out.
Okay, what I might do then, actually, I'm just going to swap. Just like we're doing with our column subtraction.
Yeah.
So I'm going to exchange this 10 for 10 ones. So 1,
it's
2,
the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
10 is just 10 ones.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just check. 10, 20, 30. I know that was 40, 41, 42. I might just pop those. Oh, no, I won't. Right, there we go, 41, 42. So then I'm taking away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what's left. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
Nice.
That's one way of doing it. Do you have another way?
I thought just count backwards.
Yeah.
So you could, if you feel able to, you could just put the 42 in your head, count back 5, say 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. I know some people might want to write that out, so they might just put, right, I'm starting from 42. And I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back, so 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. There we go, done.
Whatever works for you.
Yeah, plenty of ways.
Okay, now this one, I remember doing this one the other day. So we've got 3, add 30, add 3. So I think it would take 8. Let's just make this as quick as we can. So let's put that big number in our head.
Yep.
It's in there. Okay, and then we can just count on 3 here and 3 here. here.
Yep.
So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
It's a bit like that one earlier as well, isn't it? Because if you just sort of forget about that for now, take the 30 away, come back to it later. I know 3 out of 3 is 6. Bring the 30 back, 36, done.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, spot those patterns. Double, 3, 3, 6. Yeah, look for the patterns. Okay, next. Now this one, right? This is an interesting one. 15 and 15, because I bet a lot of you at home would do column method.
Yeah.
Which is good, great, that's fine, that's good, a good way of doing it. But I'm going to tell you how I do it.
I wonder if it's the same as how I do it. Let's see.
Okay, I think it might be. But what I do, I'm like 15 and 50, right? Well, I sort of partition those numbers, I split them up. So I'm like, I know 15 is 10 and a 5, isn't it? It's 10 and a 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15. Obviously, that 15 is the same, right? So 10 and a 5, right? Well, I know 2 10, double 10 is 20, and I know double 5 is 10. So 20 add 10 is 30. That's what's happening in my head.
Exactly what's happening in my head, yeah. Because those are easy calculated. They're number sentences I think most of us already know, right? Aren't they? 5 out of 5 is 10, 10 out of 10 is 20, 20 and 10, 30. Easy as that, yeah.
And just to make sure, it's great to draw things out, but like if you don't, I mean, I don't think I would have I don't really need to draw that out. I would just be splitting that in my head, 10 and 10, 5 and 5, put them together.
Sometimes there'll be questions and we already have knowledge, don't we? We already know number facts that are going to help us. Other times, drawing things out or doing a method will work. Kind of depends what the question is, what I already know.
Absolutely. Okay, let's move on. Right, so these ones we're going to, again, probably quite a few of you, especially this one, can work this out in your head. You're spotting the patterns straight away, and that's brilliant, okay? But we're just going to do this one with column method now, okay? So 22 add 34. So let's write our numbers out. Now, by now, you should all have your maths books at home with you with squares in. So when you're doing column method in particular, be really careful about how many numbers go in a box. That's right, 1. I hope that was right. Now, 22. So 22, so 22, 1 digit per box. Then underneath we've got adding 34, so I'll put add 34. Got my 1s here and my 10s in this column. Do my lines. Okay, so where do we start first, Mr. Lake?
Always start with the 1s.
Right, 2 add 4. 2 add 4 is?
6.
Lovely jubbly. And now we'll add our 10s. So 2, let's imagine my fingers are 10s. So 2 10s. Add 3 10s is how many 10s?
5 10s.
5 10s,
50.
which really is 50. The answer is 56.
Simple as that.
A very quick way of doing it. But really be careful, 1 number per box. Now this is the slightly more interesting one, or the slightly more fun one. Right, 38. 1 digit per box, 38 plus 43. Do my lines neatly. Okay, my 1s are here and my 10s are here. So 8 add 3.
Wow. I was just thinking, I know 8 add 2 is 10. Add another 1, 11.
Great.
That's a problem though. What am I going to do with the 11? I can't stick 11 in the 1s, can I?
Well, if you remember, I'm going to put, so 11, so I'm going to put, so it's 11, isn't it? So if you think about 11, it's a 10 and a 1, isn't it? So this is our 10. So I'm going to put my 1 there and my 1 there. So 10 and 1, 11. I know Mr. Lake's class, you're just going to pop that 1 up there instead.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. It's the same thing, really. Right, so now we are going to add up our 10s. So you've got your 3 10s, 4 10s, and we've got that 110 at the bottom, or if you're with Mr. Lake, that 110 is at the top. Okay, so can we just use your fingers for this? Can you show me, imagine your fingers are 10, so 3 tens,
3 tens,
4 more tens,
Yep.
and we mustn't forget this one, 1 more 10. How many tens is that?
that is 8.
8, and I'll just cross that out. Our answer is 81. Okay, now column subtraction. Okay, just like we did the other day, should be nice and easy. Okay, 59 take away 36. So 59 minus 36. Do my lines. I know these are all my 1s, these are my 10s. Right, 9 take away 6 is
3.
yeah, so that's fine. Yeah, I know we do lots of showing our fingers, but hopefully these facts, you're starting to know them, and then if you just know it, great. 9 take away 6 is 3. Here, 5 tens take away 3 tens.
Is 2 tens, 20.
5 take away 3, 2, yeah. The answer is 23, easy peasy. Right, the more interesting one, we like these. Okay, so 91 minus 34.
Yep.
91, subtract 34, 1s, 10s. Okay, show me one, let's do our 1s column first. Show me one finger, Mr. Lake.
Yep.
Now take away 4 fingers.
I've run out of fingers.
We can't do it, so what are we going to have to do?
Well, a bit like what we did earlier on, you've got 10s here, so why not take a 10, steal a 10, we sometimes call it, don't we? And then pop it over there. Okay,
Great.
so if we take a 10 from 9 tens,
So
we now have 8.
we've got 8 10s left.
And if you add a 10 to 1, you've got 11. So
Great.
now we can just do 11 take away 4.
11 take away 4 is
7. I was thinking about my number bonds again there. I know 10 take away 4 is 6. So 11 take away 4 must be 7.
great. Now you guys at home, obviously you're not all going to be as quick as Mr. Lake. Some of you may be quicker. But there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong if you need to draw out your 11 circles and then cross out 4. That's great.
Yeah.
That's absolutely fine. Right, now 8 tens take away 3 tens.
5.
5 tens. Our answer is 57, and we did that quite quickly.
We did, didn't we? Yeah.
Okay, lovely. Right. These are your questions for today. So if you look in the resources for Monday, you will see it there. You've got your mild questions, your spicy questions here. I'd like everyone to have a go at the mild ones, please. And then if you're feeling really good, yeah, please do have a go at the spicy ones, okay? Have fun with it.
Have fun, guys.